Okay, so first thing I want to show you guys is my work corner. In this corner, I have two companies. I have a painting company and I sell on Etsy. So my painting company comes first, and this is where I get all the work done. This is literally where I write in my journal. Like I motivate myself every morning, write down my goals in my journal. This is the pumpkin my daughter painted for Halloween, and a couple of things, some artwork from Amazon. But I am all about, like, after I purchased this, I started only buying artwork from actual artists because that's important. Anyway, I got this chair. I actually had it for a long time. It was my sister's and then she gave it to me. And then this is just everything I need to run my painting company. That is the first company I've ever had. There's my cat over there. She literally follows me everywhere. So I have some shoes, and here's my little shoe collection. It's a couple things. Some really cute shoes from Fashion Nova and what's it? Just Fab. Shoe Dazzle, I meant to say. Yeah. Or is it Just Fab? One of those things. But yeah, Fashion Nova, definitely. I love Fashion Nova shoes. And I'll be ordering some more and adding to my collection. This room is basically mixed with beauty products and my nail products, because I did used to do a lot of makeup videos, but then I got into, I would say in about around April, I got into nails, and it just kind of went that way. So my channel just went that way. So there's all my little babies, my wigs. I have two more that I don't have up. They're actually like in the shop getting touched up. And then I have these things right here. Oh man, my cat follows me everywhere. So I have these containers right here because I couldn't find the clear display containers. I will be swapping these out with those just so it's easier to grab the acrylic because it's not a lot of wall space. So these shelves are just so great. They go really far back. All of this stuff is from Amazon. Literally, this is from Amazon. This cart right here is a 10-drawer cart. Is from Amazon. Is so wonderful because I needed more storage space. So I have my little tray I have from Etsy. I have my scale that I use to to weigh all of my packages, and then just some miscellaneous tools that I use when I'm doing nails. So in the top I have, the swatches, some stickers for press-ons that I add in I'll add those in every every order, whenever somebody orders, so they can have the option to just use stickies. Then I have gloves. Use gloves literally every application. Every time I sit down to make nails, I'm using gloves just to be sanitary. Then I have these empty containers that I will be using. Some of them have a bit of crystals in them. This one has water because I needed water for something, for a certain design. It's not really that organized. I have acrylic powder, different colors, like really pretty. Everything was ordered off of Amazon. Literally everything I have in here is ordered from Amazon. So yeah, these are different acrylic. Then we have all of my tips and some jewelry that I use for nails. I have like literally all of my tips in one drawer just so I know where they all are. Sorry guys, my cat's name is T'Challa, by the way. Ow, okay. So in this drawer, I have the acrylics, like basic acrylics, the nudes and the clear and stuff like that. These I use the most out of any acrylic. I use color acrylic a lot too, but these I use the most, so I like to have them right next to my drawer. Then I have my stamping equipment and my flash lighter, my flash UV light. Then I have another flash UV light. Maybe I'll just put that one in there. This is my hand holder with all my practice hands. Here's some of my practice hands. I'm looking to fill up this drawer over time with a lot of fingers and hands. I just like having them. They look creepy, don't they? And then I didn't fill up the last two drawers, so I still have a lot more space. Here's my ring light that I did get from Best Buy, actually, about a year ago. I'm facing it that way because when it's facing the camera, it kind of like messes everything up. So here I have another ring light that a friend recommended, and it's wonderful. It's really nice. This one kind of topples over a lot when you lean it over, so I just tape it down. Let me see. Sorry, guys. Let's go on the other side. This is as clean as I can get this room, honestly, because my daughter is in here trying to touch things all the time. It's really annoying. I see stuff misplaced all the time. So I just had to clean it up really quick for you guys. Trying to organize a little bit, make it look like I'm organized. So look at this red iguana hand. Silicone practice hand is so realistic. This is what I practice on when I'm doing acrylic application. This is where I do my press-ons too. As you can see, one of the things are missing. I don't know where my daughter put it, but we will find it. Everything on here, I really need to wipe this down a little bit, but I do have, when I'm actually applying acrylic and recording it, I will put the blue paper towel on here because the white light from here just doesn't give me a good look on the cameras. So there's all my makeup stuff, my brushes, and then in here, in each level, that one right there, I have all my liners and all my liners and mascara. The second to last one, all of my lipsticks from any company. I don't have much lipstick. It was enough to just fit into this compact little thing. And then I have all of my foundations and concealers at the bottom. Miscellaneous stuff up at the top, the primer, foundation, and balms. Skin creams. Then all of my palettes. All the palettes I own, all the bigger palettes that I own are right there. I have a few more hidden away in different places. These are, from a different angle you'll see, these are all my acrylics, colored acrylics. I have the entire Valentino Beauty Pure line. Just because I love their line the most, like I've absolutely love their line. I do want to try other lines, but that's what I have at the moment. I don't take clients. Literally, I do not take clients, so I don't have a lot. You know what I mean? Here's some more. You can see the different colors. Like literally a lot. I will swap these out with the nice display cases so I don't have to do drawers. All right. Okay, guys, there's my husband on the screen showing his tattoo. All right, so I use this fan to put it into the window facing backwards so that that smell isn't too bad. I need to vacuum over there. There's my trash can. I need a big trash can everywhere I am because I feel like so much trash just accumulates. My cat is literally playing. Stop. My cat is playing with my cardigan. Okay, so here are my backdrops whenever I'm doing like a photo shoot of myself. I have a bunch right there, all from Joann Fabrics. Then I have my small light box that I use to take pictures of my press-ons. I have videos on that. That comes with different backdrops as well. Then I have all of my pouch bags that I put all the prepping tools when I send off press-on nails. I have boxes that I used to use, literally don't use them anymore because I package my things differently. Some camera equipment. I have the 2 cameras. Here's my mailing bubblers. The bubble mailers, I'm sorry, what did I call them? Bubble mailers. It's a little messy up here. It's not as nice as I want it to be, but you know, we just moved into this apartment, so everything is not where I want it to be. I have here my new packaging mail slips. I have my cards here for Ren's nails. Some tape that I use, and then right here, guys, this is my new packaging. Here, I'll show you. So on this slip, I will literally put your press-on nails on here, put it into the plastic, and then put it into the mail bubbler, and it's shipped off to you guys. That's how I'm making it work here. I do have another video. This is literally miscellaneous hair stuff. Like you can see the hair sticking out, but I have a lot of stuff in there. My blow dryers, everything. Like trying to compact it all in one. You got to make it work. In my last nail video, you can see how small the room was, but I literally had to make it work. I had to optimize the space as much as possible. But this new nail room gives me so much space. I'm not done. That mirror literally won't be there. I like this full-length mirror. It's wonderful, so I can take pictures of my outfits because I'm not going anywhere. I just take pictures and then take it off. All right, so here we have All this stuff is not new. It came with me. It was in my other videos. Here are some of the other eyeshadow palettes that I was using. I have videos on all of these, but I don't do makeup anymore. I don't do makeup videos really anymore. Just nail videos. Then I have just nail stuff, some beauty stuff, all mixed in here. Stuff that I don't really use a lot. That's why it's so far from my desk. More stuff in here. More stuff that I ordered that I could not stop ordering from AliExpress. T-pins for when I'm like fixing up a wig or something. I don't do wigs. I just will fix my own up sometimes if I have time. Then down here, some more hair miscellaneous things. Here's some studio equipment that I use to when I need to bring it out and get some nice photos. And then this is some decorating stuff down there, and then some papers and stuff that I need. So this room is like this. It's not all nails because, like I said, it is, I have other businesses, so you will see many other things. So yeah, this is the new beauty room. I will be putting up lights, putting up more decorations. Eventually, I will bedazzle this room into my own. But I wanted to show you guys exactly what I have right now. Over time, things will change, and I'll make sure I let you guys know. I will link everything that I have down in the description below so that you guys, if you're interested, you can order it as well. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so that you never miss an upload. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!